Alright, so you hold on to these white ropes right there. Perfect. You got, hold on with one hand.
Right here?
Yep. Walk right past me, put your toes on the edge. Then count to 3 out loud together and step off on 3.
Okay.
Wait, so I basically sit on this thing, right? Alright, yeah, you just walk off and then it'll hold you. Okay. Ready.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was awesome! Oh, that was so cool.